This world is full of fast-paced lives where we have all left our health behind. Today, we'll talk about how you can transform your health in just 7 days without expensive medicines or a gym. Nature has blessed us with countless things around us that, if used properly, can heal both body and mind. The first thing you need to understand is that transformation begins with determination. If you truly decide that you want to improve your body, these 7 days can change your life completely. Start your first day before sunrise. When you open your eyes, don't pick up your phone. Instead, take deep breaths. Focus only on your breathing for 3 minutes. Your mind will calm down and your body will gain energy for the whole day. Then, drink a glass of lukewarm water with half a lemon squeezed into it. This not only removes toxins from your body but also improves digestion. For the rest of the day, make it a habit to drink more water. If you drink 8 to 10 glasses a day, within a week your skin will start to glow naturally. On the second day, make small changes in your diet. Avoid oily and spicy junk food and increase your intake of vegetables and fruits. Have oatmeal or eggs for breakfast, light vegetables for lunch, and soup or salad for dinner. When you eat natural foods, your body starts to reset itself. You'll feel less hungry, sleep better, and your body will start healing from within. The third day is for movement. Whether it's walking or light exercise, your body needs to move. Start with a simple 20-minute walk, morning or evening, whichever suits you. Take deep breaths as you walk and feel your body's rhythm. You might feel a bit tired for the first 2 days, but by the third, you'll notice your body feels lighter and your mind clearer. On the fourth day, focus on your mental health. Health is not just physical. Peace of mind is equally important. Meditate for 5 minutes, stay away from your phone, and spend time observing nature. If you spend a few quiet moments daily, the stress in your mind will slowly disappear. Also, pay attention to your sleep. Going to bed early and waking up early helps regulate your body's natural systems. Avoid bright lights or using your phone before sleeping to enjoy a deeper, more peaceful rest. By the 5th day, you'll start to feel lighter, fresher, and happier. Now it's time to strengthen your inner self. Begin a habit of gratitude. Every morning or night, write down 3 things you're thankful for. This simple practice makes your mind more positive and reduces negative thoughts. A positive mindset doubles your health benefits. When your heart is happy, your body naturally functions better. On the 6th day, add natural juices to your routine. Mix carrot, beetroot, apple, and lemon juice together. This drink purifies your blood, brightens your skin, and boosts your energy levels. Try to minimize sugar intake as it slows down the body. Instead, use honey or the natural sweetness of fruits. You'll realize how just small changes in diet and routine can make a massive difference to your overall health. By the 7th day, you'll truly feel the transformation. You'll have more energy, better sleep, controlled appetite, and a peaceful mind. But remember, this is just the beginning. Real success comes when these 7 days become your lifestyle. Change becomes permanent only when it turns into a daily habit. If you make water, simple food, exercise, meditation, and positive thinking part of your life, your health will remain youthful and strong forever. Always remember, natural healing lasts longer. Medicines give temporary relief, but natural methods give lifelong health. Treat your body with love because it's the only place you have to live in. Your health is your real treasure. If you take care of yourself, not only will you stay happy, but you'll also inspire those around you. These 7 days of effort can mark the beginning of a brand new life. Just make a firm decision, take action, and watch how nature helps you. These 7 days can truly transform your body, mind, and soul.